Most people take walking for granted, but it requires split-second timing and a lot of dexterity. When walking, you lean forward, extending your center of gravity out past your feet. Taking a step to keep up with your center of gravity prevents you from falling. As you walk, you plant one foot as you move the other. Since a single foot does not provide much of a base of support, it does not take much to cause you to slip or trip. Trips usually occur when you stumble on uneven walking surfaces or objects that are in your path. Slips are caused by a lack of friction between the soles of your shoes and the surface that you are walking on. Slips generally happen when you're on surfaces that are smooth, slick, or wet. But there are other factors that can contribute to you slipping as well, including the slope of the surface, wearing shoes that don't provide adequate traction, and the momentum that you build up while walking. Momentum is the force behind your movement. It is generated by your weight and the speed at which you walk. When you walk, you build up more momentum than someone who walks slower or weighs less than you do. Likewise, when you carry a heavy object, you create more momentum than when you are not carrying anything at all. The more momentum that you produce, the more friction you need between the soles of your shoes and the walking surface to keep you from slipping, and the more difficult it is for you to regain your footing and stop yourself from falling.